Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to another installment in our Easy DIY series. And in this series, I am going to show you how to make your own essential oil roll-on. Now, today's recipe that we're going to be doing, we're going to be using amethyst gems because the amethyst helps increase intelligence by balancing your emotions to strengthen your rational thoughts. So the things that we're going to need for that, I'm going to show you as I pick them up, is your sunflower oil, your yang yang essential oil, which the yang yang is used for mental thoughts that will help increase your intelligence, and of course the lavender, which is to help balance your emotions and help you to relax and relieve stress. And of course your roll-on and your dropper and your amethyst stones. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to put the amethyst stones in to the roller bottle. This is what I'm doing now, and I will show you what it looks like as I go through each step. Okay? So as you can see, I have the amethyst stones in there, and then you're going to take this, and you need this filled up to, I'm trying to look for 7, that says 3. So it's going to be 2 full dropperfuls and then up to the bottom one. So this is what we're going to do. We're now going to open the sunflower oil and we're going to get our dropperfuls as much as possible, because that's your carrier oil. The sunflower oil is your carrier oil. Now you can do a better one. If you have a measuring cup that measures millimeters, you can do that. I don't, so I have to use this, which is going to take a little bit, and you put your carrier oil in there like so. Alright? So now that's done, you want to put your cover on the carrier oil, because you can use the sunflower oil for other recipes. And then you're going to take and you open these, because these are the 2 I'm putting in there. Now, you're going to add 10 drops of each. So we're going to measure out 10 of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 of that one, and then 10 of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I have 10 of each in there. Okay, now that you have 10 of each in there, okay, you're going to add the roller insert, which is what I'm looking for, so bear with me a moment. So I didn't see a roller insert. So I'm not sure where it's at. You're supposed to have a roller insert, but the bottles that I got did not have one. So I'm not sure. That's one thing you want to make sure is that your bottles do have a roller insert. Mine did not come with the roller insert. Let me check something real quick here. With another bottle. Whoops, that one had it. Hold on a minute. Let me put this on pause. Are we recording? There we go. Okay, here's a roller insert. The first bottle didn't have it, so I had to take it off the second one. So you're going to insert that, and you got to moisten it by doing this. Tip the bottle up a little bit to get it moistened. There you go. And then you put the cover back on it. And that's your first one. And it's as simple as that, guys. And that's the first one. And then, of course, I'm going to label that. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this simple DIY video. It's easy to do at home. And if you don't have them, you can go to Walmart and buy these kits. They're only like $10, $15 a piece. But it's so much easier to get on if you can do it at home. The only things you may have to buy otherwise that you can't get at your regular store is like maybe the roller bottles. You may have to order them from Amazon or somewhere else because most stores don't carry them. I'm glad that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment. And if you like what you see, please feel free to subscribe and leave a comment after the video. Bye.